With Neutron 4 you can mix smarter and faster while staying in your flow. 8 powerful plugins combine powers through AI assistive technology to create your modern and intelligent mixing experience. Mix in the moment. Mix smarter and faster with iZotope's Neutron 4, your complete suite for crafting a professional mix. Sculpt sounds seamlessly while staying in your flow. Meet your new mixing suite. Neutron 4 comes with 8 plugins including a mothership and 7 component modules. Use the component plugins individually or combine them in the mothership to sculpt your sound. Plus, you'll get Visual Mixer, Relay and Tonal Balance Control 2 plugins to assist your mixing process. New Unmask Module, Exciter Module, new Trash Mode, Compressor Module, new Punch Mode, Gate Module improved. Sculptor Module, Transient Shaper Module, Equalizer Module, Visual Mixer Plugin Plus, Relay and Tonal Balance Control 2 plugins. What's new in Neutron 4? Assistant View. Neutron's beloved Mix Assistant is now modernized into the new Assistant View, your intelligent control center that produces fast, personalized results. Make space. The new Unmask module discovers and fixes masking issues for you, enabling you to reach new levels of clarity. Make space between 2 competing tracks, balancing your bass and kick or allowing vocals to shine over your mix. Distort responsibly. Or not. A slice of iZotope fan favorite, Trash, is now in Neutron 4. Distort and destroy sound with Trash Mode and dial in specific extremes with the Tone Slider and Tame button. Explore the boundaries of weird and wild. Punch it up. Make an impact using the new Punch Mode to control and visualize how hard your sounds hit. Add more thump, punch or snap to breathe life into vocals, percussion, bass, and more. Why Neutron 4? Work faster and smarter. The Assistant View kicks things off right by suggesting a target level and allowing you to customize your starting point.